How to delete an unpublished website on Godaddy. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how is possible to technically delete a unpublished website into your Godaddy account. Basically, it is not possible, but we can go ahead and delete our account on GoDaddy and get rid of everything. So if you're going to have the option of the website to unpublish it, you need that before you're going to unpublish a website. How we can unpublish a website? Basically, we're going to head over our products. Then we are going basically to select the website that we want to unpublish. Maybe you're going to have this one as published. So I'm going to let you see how you can publish a website. So the reason that you want maybe to delete an unpublished website, maybe you're going to have something in mind. I don't know here. You do not want to see that website anymore or something like that. But unfortunately, GoDaddy will not let you to delete that unpublished one. You can go ahead and unpublish it, but not, let's say here, delete it. So this is a published website. Let's see, we're going to have the status of published. We're going to head over the settings and unpublish it. So we're going to click on yes, unpublish. So let's say that have everything in here. So you can also have the website and the history of it. If you have made some modification to the website, you can go ahead and restore them or create a backup. Also, you can go ahead and reset the website. So you're going to lose all the pages and also do that into the specific history in here. But it is not going to be unpublishing or deleting the unpublishment. So aside from that, if you want to delete completely a website, you need to delete completely the account of our GoDaddy account. Like that, you're going to head over the account settings, and from here, you're going to have everything set up. So you're going to find here the access and etc. You can go ahead and delete your account, or if you do not find the specific deleting method, you can go ahead and contact the team, and they are going to give you the access to delete your account, or they are going to delete it for you. So aside from that, it is basically impossible to delete an unpublished website. And for the published website, it is also going to be impossible to delete them, but you can instead unpublish them so they are not going to be showing up on these search engines. So let's say that we're going to have a website that we do not want to unpublish, but we do not need them to show up into the search engines. And they are going to be a sort of a private websites that only get the access from an invitation link or a shared URL. You're going to enter to your website, and then we're going to head over the settings. When you're going to find get found on Google, you're going basically to delete the headline, and you're going to limit the keywords that you're going to put into your website. So that is not going to attract the website for the search engines, and it is not going to be optimized. So you need only to unpublish it. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.